Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated wildlife wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by opening Play Store and tapping on the search bar. Now you need to type in Magic Fluids and download this free app from this developer. Then choose Open. Over here, click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Now choose I accept in the pop-up and adjust your wallpaper however you wish to. When you're ready, click at the top right corner and the bottom one again. But this time you need to select Set as Save Wallpaper, then choose Set Wallpaper over here and pick Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. After that, just go back. As you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!